US President Joe Biden has taken a call to increase the pressure on Putin-led Russian government owing to the Russian violence in Ukraine and the recent discovery of mass graves close to the Ukrainian capital Kyiv. US President Joe Biden on Monday called for a war crimes trial and more sanctions on Russia. The Kremlin has, however, denied the allegations and labeled it as fake portrayal by the Ukrainian radicals against Russia. The Russian forces have retreated from the swaths of northern Ukraine and will now concentrate its offensive operations in the eastern and southern parts of Ukraine. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan told reporters that this new phase could be measured in months or longer. The recent discovery of bodies scattered on the streets of the Ukrainian town of Bucha after the withdrawal of Russian forces has sparked global outrage and is fueling determination in Washington to press the sanctions even harder. President Joe Biden called Putin a war criminal and the killings that occurred in town of Bucha a war crime. Sullivan said that Washington and its European allies are also working on more measures to add to the already increasing economic sanctions aimed at crippling the ruble and hence Russia's ability to import high-tech components. United States is also working to increase the volume and apparently the power of weaponry provided to Ukraine's armed forces. 10 civilians were also killed while 46 were wounded in a Russian bombardment of the Ukrainian town Mykolaiv on Monday. In a jarring discovery, Ukrainian authorities also found the bodies of 5 civilians with their hands tied in a village west of Kyiv, including those of that town's mayor, her husband and son.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.